Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making churros with dulce de leche. It is everyone's favorite South American fried treat. I'm hungry just thinking about it. Let's get cooking. Alright, let's get started. It is a very interesting dough. So we are actually going to be making it in a pot, and into that pot we're going to add in some water and some butter, and we're going to just heat it up until it comes to a simmer and all the butter is melted. Alright, the water's come to a simmer and the butter is melted. We are now going to add in our all-purpose flour into there, and along with that we're going to add in some sugar, some salt, and for a little bit of flavor, some vanilla extract. And now lower the flame and just stir that together until it comes into a nice dough. As you can see, it is coming together into a nice dough. Just cook it for an additional minute. All right, let's turn off our flame and immediately transfer it into a bowl and spread it out to increase surface area, because we want this to cool before adding in our eggs, because we do not want scrambled eggs in our churros. If we were right now about to add in our eggs, it would make scrambled eggs and not a vibe. All right, the dough has mostly cooled, and now it is time to crack 3 eggs in. Now, even though we let it cool, you do want to mix it in pretty quickly just in case there's any residual heat. You do not want scrambled eggs in your churros. Repeat after me, scrambled eggs do not belong in churros. Good. Now, it will look like initially that it's not going to mix together and that it doesn't want to come together, but using force, just keep on going, and I promise it'll come together no matter how much it looks like it won't. Egg number 2, bam! And mix it up again. It's kind of a workout. I'm so exhausted. Egg number 3. I'm just glad it's only 3 eggs. I honestly don't know if I could do more than 3. I almost give up. This is so exhausting. Like in this video, I'm gonna be editing it, so it's gonna look like this was like 30 seconds. I've been here for like a solid 10 minutes just mixing. I'm done. All right, over here we have a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Let's now fold it over and get our batter, or not batter, our dough, our churro dough into there. Okay, here we go. Now over here I have a big pot of vegetable oil that is heating up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's time to pipe some churros. Got the piping bag in my left hand, got a knife in the right hand, and just squeeze it out very carefully. And you want it to be about 4 to 5 inches long, but you can make it however long you'd like. And we're going to fry them until they are nice and golden brown. All right, those are almost golden brown. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take some sugar and some cinnamon and just stir those together with my hand, and we're going to put them straight into here. All right, a bunch of these churros are done, so you wanna let them drain nicely. Now, instead of putting it straight onto here, we're gonna put them straight into the cinnamon sugar mix that we made. Get them nice and fully coated. It's important that you coat them while the oil on them is still hot, because that's what helps them stick. And let's just repeat that with the rest of our churros. And into the cinnamon sugar. Coat, coat, coat. All right, our churros are done. We've got a whole lot, and now it is time to plate them up. So I'm just going to place them onto my plate, get them all on there, and I'm going to be serving them with some dulce de leche, as I mentioned earlier in the video. It is super simple to make. The ingredients, well, it's not ingredients, it's sweetened condensed milk. You just literally put it in a pot of boiling water for 2 hours, and it turns into this rich, delicious caramel that is just incredible. Bam! Look at that. That is how you make delicious churros with dulce de leche. As you see, it is super easy. It is great for having a bunch of people over. It is great if you just want a nice snack. It is super crunchy, super delicious. Let's take a churro, dip it into the dulce de leche, get that all over there. Oh man, that looks delicious. Cheers. You need to try this. The outside's super crunchy, the sugar on the outside's delicious, the inside's nice and soft, dipped into that rich dulce de leche. It comes together into the ultimate dessert or snack or whatever you want to eat it. If you want to eat it for breakfast, I won't judge you. If you want the recipe, as always, the link to it is in the description box down below. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button to be the first one I post new videos, and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below what is your personal favorite fried treat. I would love to know. And if you haven't already, text me at 201-822-9203 to join the text gang. All right, if you need me, I'm going to devour the rest of these churros. And when I say devour, I mean every last one. Bye.